guys, I had ordered this cute material online. I had punched in quilting cotton and ordered this, but when it came in, you can see they've serged all the edges for me. It's almost like a tablecloth material, and so definitely not going to be used in quilting. So I thought maybe it's not enough for a tablecloth, so maybe I would just do a Christmas holiday apron. So I've gone ahead and used my chalk and sketched out what I'm going to be cutting here. I'm just going to freehand it. So I've made aprons before, so I think it'll be okay. Since it's a holiday apron, I don't think I'm going to worry about lining it. I am going to put pockets on it, but I have some tan material. I may do that. Okay, so I've got the top of my apron here, and I want to put some straps on, so I'm going to sew these on each side. Okay, so what I did was put this on and cross it in the back so that I could see where I needed to attach. So let me just, and I'm going to be laying this flat when I attach it right here, so that that strap is going to come right down even with this. Now you can see how this is fraying so bad. That's why they had serged the ends when they sent it to me. I may go ahead and trim everything. That way when I'm coming around and I'm trimming, I'll have this already trimmed. This will be trimmed. There will be no raw edges that are being sewn together. And I'll do this last. And I think I'm going to start at the bottom, kind of in the middle. That way when it all comes together and is folded over, that joint will be at the bottom where it's not likely going to be even noticed. I think I'm going to take a really good size seam as well, so that whenever I fold this over and then fold it to the back, it's going to be nice and wide so that it'll have a better drape, I think. Okay, so the whole thing has been sewn right sides to right sides. So now I'm going to go in there, iron this, and then we'll be folding this over and stitching it down. That's going to enclose all this fraying that you're seeing. Once we get that done, we'll be able to attach the straps. Okay, so you can see I've got it all sewn on nice and flat from ironing now. So I am ready to just hem everything. We're just going all the way around it. Some of this is kind of thick where the folds are, so I'll just kind of ease over those. I'm not going to make you watch me sew all of this. I'll just bring you back when I'm done. Okay, so I've sewn all the way around it, and now I want to pull these straps over. and they will be sewn like this. I'll go ahead and pin this one. Then this one will come over. And I'll sew it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so here is the front, and I'm undecided if I want to use some more of this material and maybe put a couple of pockets on there. If I do, that'll come later. I'll probably wear it for a while and see if I miss the pockets, because I do have some extra red material that I could easily do that. So you can see the back, those straps just cross over. So you don't have to do any tying, it's the cross back instead. Alright, so I hope you guys have a good week. I just thought I'd bring you along and show you the lemonade I made out of my lemons. When this came in and I saw how bad it would fray, I didn't really know what I was going to be able to do with it. And then I decided on an apron because I knew I would be able to hide all of that. So anyway, guys, I hope you have a great week this week, and I'll see you back next week.